Hey, what's up guys? Ace Hacks here with a brand new video, and on today's video I'm showing you how I turn my phone into a PSP. And here's how. First of all, we're gonna go into the App Store and download PPSPP PSP emulator. And once you download it, you're gonna wanna go to Safari and go to the website in the description down below. It'll be this website. And then what you want to do is you want to look up the game you want, or you could scroll through and find whichever game you would like to download. For example, let's try Grand Theft Auto Liberty City Stories. And I like to look for the file that has the biggest file and that is in my language. For example, let's try with a game that I already downloaded, which is Midnight Club LA Remix. We're gonna move it into our PSSPP folder, and then we're gonna click the zip file, make sure that it gives you this PSPPP logo, and then you're gonna want to move it into your PSP folder, then into your games folder. Once it's in your games folder, you can move on to the next step, which will be to close the PSPP app and then open it up again so it could refresh the games that you have on your PSPP app. Once you get inside the PSPP app, it's gonna look a little bit like this. You're gonna want to press games. Sometimes it will not be looking like this, so you're gonna want to press here, then you're gonna want to press here. Then once you're here, you're gonna want to press games, and then the games that you have downloaded will pop up here. It will also show some games that you haven't completely downloaded, like these zip files that I have here that are on the folder for the PSPPP. And yeah, that will be all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure to drop a like, comment, share this, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll be dropping another video today as well. Please subscribe for more content, and if you want a more in-depth tutorial, let me know so I could help you out with specific parts of this tutorial. If you didn't understand some parts, just let me know in the comment section as well. And thank you for watching. Enjoy.